Hello everyone, thank you so much for clicking on this video. My name is Akanksha and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is day 2 of real life English series, and today in this video I'm going to describe my day only. I'm not going to do a lot of things, but I'm going to describe my day because as you know that this is only going to be for my practice. And okay, without further ado, let's get started. So I woke up around 6:30 today, even though I wanted to wake up at 6, but I didn't because my alarm went off and I stopped it, and then I slept for half an hour more. So I woke up at 6:30, and then the first thing which I do is obviously I got freshen up, and then I headed straight to my kitchen and I start preparing for breakfast and lunch, because my husband goes his office at 8 or sometime 8:30. So I had to prepare lunch as well. So I prepared lunch, breakfast, everything was done. And then once he left for his office, after that till 10 we were sitting inside the blanket only, because it was freezing cold outside today. It was very blurry and foggy, so it was extremely cold today. So I didn't felt like doing anything, so I didn't feel like doing anything. So I was just sitting inside the blanket with my daughter, and she was also busy with her own things, and I was reading my book at that time. The book which I'm reading these days is called Mindset. It is written by Carol S. Dweck. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing right, but the book is amazing. If you are also fond of reading book, you should definitely give it a try, because the book is this is a self-help book, and the language is also not that much advanced, so you can easily understand it. And of course, you will learn a lot of things from that book, so you should give it a try. And yes, after that, I did my household chores like cleaning, mopping, tidying up the room, and then I took bath and I washed clothes and all. So, meanwhile, I was taking care of my daughter as well. I was engaging with her as well, because I don't want her to feel left out while doing other stuffs. So, I try to play with her in the middle of that as well, because I'm living in a nuclear family, so I have to take care of her. So yes, and then I made lunch, and then we had our lunch, and then she slept for 1.5 hour. And at that time, I had a conversation with someone today, and he was one of my subscribers, and I felt so grateful after having a conversation with him, because these days I was feeling very demotivated about my YouTube channel, and he told me that you should upload more videos, because he kind of encouraged me to do this, because he was like that I was waiting for your videos, because these days you are not uploading, so you should definitely do it because you are doing good. And so these kind words, I mean his kind words, really made my day, and I was like, okay, now I'm going to do it regularly. So thank you so much for that, and it means a lot to me. And yes, after that, I was trying to record a video, and I did it for 4 or 5 times, like I because I was having a bad cough and I was not able to record myself. Then I had a ginger tea right now, and right now I'm feeling better, and right now I'm recording myself. It's 6 p.m. right now, and my daughter is enjoying her screen time, and that's why I'm able to record myself. Otherwise, she was uh, coming here again and again, and she was disturbing me. So I just told her that okay, you can watch your TV right now, and I'm recording myself. And yes, one more thing which I want to share with you, and that these days I'm watching an English show as well. This is available on Amazon Prime, which is called Young Sheldon. It is a comedy show, and if you are fond of watching comedy shows or anything, you can definitely go for this one as well. The show is amazing, and you will. What happens is, when you watch English shows, you learn natural English sentences, and just the way native speakers speak. So because of that, I'm watching this series, and I personally loved it. I mean, I haven't seen much episodes. I am in the season first, and I am watching the sixth episode maybe right now. But I personally liked it. It is about a young boy who is he's very intelligent, like extremely intelligent, and the story revolves around him only, and about his family. So these are the things which I'm doing these days to learn English language, and I think that's all for today. Now I'm going to prepare dinner, and yes, that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching this video. I am trying to be consistent, but trust me, today I had a very bad cough that I was not able to record my video, but finally I got succeed to recording this video. And thank you so much for watching this video up to the end. Bye.